Tripod locked. Start baseline.
Keep the lane clear.
Clear line.
Reference point A confirmed.
Outriggers down, steady.
Moisture's higher here.
137, we are failing Houston gear.
Retest at grid B3.
Done with soft selection.
Millimeters. Grade needs 2 millimeters. Area wet.
Fire watch in position.
Down 2 inches. Stop.
Head lane stays open.
Hold check clearance. Grid line matches plan.
No hot work yet.
Yeah, first wave.
Gas check okay.
Tag every lug, please.
Tell us that.
Cut depth holds, continue. Bracing reads within spec. Load path verified, bolt up. Flow steady, watch turbidity.
Those rammed, walkway safe.
No cooling near the cables.
Center on mark, strike. Elevation within 5 mil.
Tack done.
Record the last 10 blows.
10 blows recorded.
Add chairs every half meter.
Elevation shot, good.
Anchors checked, ready for pour.
Stop mat complete, mark lanes. Form sealed, no leaks.
Slump in range 4.
Vibrate around the plates.
Read line, hold steady.
Ticket signed.
Keep it wet at edges.
Probe online, logging now. Patch here, small void.
Diagonal matches, keep welding.
Line tight, bring it in. Stay out, load overhead.
Hands clear.
Torque sequence, north to south.
Limit switch tested. Good.
Tag it green, safe access.
Flat within 2 microns.
Keep the seat edges crisp.
No load test, smooth travel.
Taglines ready. No swing.
Hold position.
COG aligned, pin secured. Up 1 meter, hold. Up 1 meter, hold.
Winds up, pause, swing. Down 10. Steady. Vent fans, full mask on.
Batch temp okay, pour now. Click, move to the next bolt.
Down slow, clear port side.
Isolator seated, bolt up.
Balance good, continue lift. Bracket at frame 42. Find the bend radius.
Tag valves, easy access.
Stripe it, critical joint. Hold, align the flange.
Clear path, move steady.
All systems incorporating, so go track that back sleeve. Run out, check. Concentricity good, hold. Start pattern, don't rush.
Shim in, recheck reading. Adjust complete.
Dagger test.
Label both ends, same ID.
Hold at test pressure. No leaks. Mark it pass.
No power until sign off.
Insulation start.
Keep clearance to wiring. Seal that seam, no gaps.
Leave access for valves.
Fasteners every 200 millimeters.
Feather the seam wider. Mask of the labels, no paint.
Even coat, no runs.
Mark wet zones, no steps.
Lights on. Emergency light test, pass. Rotation smooth, no bind.
All E-stops accessible. Check. Confirm grade before fill.
LOTO verified. Energize test only.
Mega complete. Power up. Watch a... Sensor actus, return verified. Alarm confirmed. Reset now. Area clear. Ready to start. Main engine running, stable.
Temp steady, log it. Fit up good, tack first.
Hot work resume.
Watch distortion, skip weld.
No gaps. Continuous speed.
Beam free, lift away!
Tagline tight. No swing.
Close tray cover, tag it.
Color match approved.
Logs complete, tests passed.
Status green. Installation complete.
Engine install signed off.
Subscribe, like, and share.